What did you think of the desk here? Reorganizing, getting rid of a lot of stuff, simplifying, systematizing. A lot of that involves cleaning up the workspace and maintaining that, and I think we've done a good job here. So today is one of those days that looks really mundane on paper, but it's an important thing I need to get done. Today, I need to take the truck in, get it emission tested, and it has to pass, because if it doesn't, it's a domino effect. If it doesn't pass, I can't renew my plates. My plates are due in 9 days, and it's going to delay the registration. It's a whole thing. So it must pass. That's what we're doing today. Let's go. I'm sure we're all guilty of this, but I let this truck sit for at least a week without being ran, and it's been like sub 20 degrees outside, so hopefully it starts. Give that a shot right now. I'm here at the garage first. I got a ton of furniture I got to drop off here. Those of you guys who don't know, aside from all this lawn care stuff, I do a Christmas village every year at home down in the basement. One of the things that comes with that, because as you know, the way I do it, I don't do it just flat on the ground or flat on a table. I like to do it in tiers, which means it's like a mountain, right? So it starts really high, almost toward the ceiling, and then I terrace it down all the way down to like waist level, because that's just what I like to do, right? It looks like a Colorado mountain, even though it's like an amalgamation of different, anyway. You guys get the gist. So because of that, I have a lot of like old, like looking furniture, tables, you name it, that I use to do that. And all of that is in the back of the Suburban. So I gotta bring all of that in here, so it's in storage, and then we can get on with the rest of the day. Gotta go get that emissions done. That has to get done today. If it doesn't, you already know. Okay, turned out pretty good. Here's all the tables. Well, here's some of them. The rest of them are bins, and they're at home in storage. But you got all these right here, not taking up too much space. I mean, this is the lighting unit after all. These totes, got to figure these out, because these accumulate pretty quickly when you do a round. Not right now, obviously, but... And there's the bigger table. I got it, boosh, right in between there. Pretty good. Just to give you an idea, this is how much stuff, well, maybe a little exaggerated, but a majority, a bulk of this stuff, or at least a portion of it, I should say, is what went into me getting my turf license. Good 3 months of studying, got it done. By the way, would you like to see a video about that? If so, comment below, mull it over. I would love to make a video talking about the process, getting my spray license, because I think it would be a lot of fun. On the topic of knowledge, one of the things I do want to talk about, you guys know on this channel, I am very transparent about everything. When I learn something, you guys are one of the first people to know that I learned it, because I want to teach it to you, right? I know there's probably going to be a lot of pros out there who aren't happy that I share this stuff, and that's fine. One of the things I wanted to talk about is the past couple years. So you guys know I started this channel 11 years ago now, and one of the things I really liked about that time was it was very simple. It was me, Alan, a guy named Greg Chisholm by the name of Geek to Freak. I'm sure everybody knows that, right? Now, Alan was around a few years before I started, and back then I was doing DIY videos. It was like an experimentation era of this channel, right? Like I got to make videos about what I was doing to my lawn. I would talk about the products I was using. I would teach a little bit in there, and I still teach a little bit today, but the DIY era, not really something I'm leaning much into anymore, and I'm sure a lot of you might have noticed that. There's been a shift in the content I've been making, and yes, there has been. You know, as I age, as I get older, as I grew my business, I started realizing, wow, you know, I really enjoy running my business, and I want to talk more about that. And quite frankly, it allows me to get back to something that I enjoyed when I first started this channel, and that is telling story, what it's like to run a business, all that fun stuff. And quite frankly, That's what YouTube used to be, right? Everybody just sharing their hardships, making videos, talking about what they're doing. It was just a time of, let's put products on our lawn, let's make them green, that's it. And that's what making these business-minded videos allow me to get back to, right? Because I think over the last couple of years, we've fallen into the trap of making everything a little too intimidating for people who haven't gotten into this, and they're like, oh my God, I don't know what permeability means, I don't know what this means, I don't know what that means. I just want to make my grass green. I've succeeded at that, I've made a business out of it. I still have some things to learn, I will admit it, but that's why I have this vlog right here, because I can share all of that with you. That's the idea here, making grass green and weeds dead. By the way, this is a very OCD thing with me. Maybe it's because of my memory, I don't know. But I often have to like take a camera, take a picture, take a video of a lock. Anytime I have a camera, and just show that I locked it. Oh, okay. I'm a little relieved that I have that on video, but just gotta make sure. You never know. You never know. Can't forget. This is like a, I wouldn't say a make or break scenario, but it's definitely something that's important when it comes to running a business, especially a service business. Fingers crossed. I hope this thing passes, otherwise I'm gonna have to come out here again. It's ridiculous. It took me like an hour to get here. It's 15 minutes from the house, but road closures, bitch, no thanks. So happy about that. Alrighty. Time for lunch, dinner. Going to do that. See ya.